TikTok is rigged. Let me explain. So, how I plan on making $50,000 a month with TikTok Creativity Program Beta's new program, by the way, that's $2 per thousand views. So, essentially, I'm in a business called All American Prospects. It's revolving around high school baseball content, and obviously, I got kind of lucky too, especially I live in Georgia, so the hot spot for Georgia for baseball is definitely Georgia in the United States. So definitely I got a little bit of an edge there. But anyways, so back to what I was saying. So, that's just a little background, but, I'm going into fields almost every weekend. I'm gathering clips with my phone, literally just phone I'm using right now, vertical clips like this. And literally anyone could do this because if you have a passion for sports, especially this works for sports, but any niche it really works for, you're in fitness, pets, whatever theme page you're in or personal brand, use your phone, guys. And literally just do 1 minute clips, and they're paying out $2 per thousand views or every 1 minute clip you post. And if you say you get 1 million views, you make $2,000. And for TikTok, that's not that hard. It's not that hard to get 1 million views these days. So essentially, if you create a new account, it's super easy. All you gotta be is consistent. Your first 5 to 6 videos won't get much views. They'll get probably a couple thousand views. But when you break through that, you make 20, 30K, 40K, 50K, 100K views. Then you're just snowballing. You're snowballing money. You're pretty much printing money at that point. So all you gotta do is record content for that channel and see what works for trends and what not to do, what to do. And essentially that's how I'm gonna do it. Also, I'm posting all those TikToks pasted onto YouTube Shorts. By the way, it's gotta be all original content. That's the only caveat about it. Because if you repost content, I made my money reposting content and made a good amount of money doing that, but they ended up shutting my account down. So we're not shutting my account down, but shutting down and getting me out of the program. So definitely don't recommend that unless you're just selling a product, and I definitely do that, but you're not going to be able to qualify for the Creativity Program Beta for the $2 RPM. So you really want to get both of them going, the products and as well the Creativity Program Beta for original content. So yeah, anyways, on YouTube, I'm posting all those TikToks into short form and trimming them down to 10 seconds and posting them onto YouTube Shorts so I can double dip. And as well as triple dipping essentially to Instagram. Instagram right now, I'm not in the views program or whatever. It's only invite only. So it's gonna be super difficult for me to monetize that for the program wise. But honestly, I'm selling a product, so I already make a good amount of money selling a product on Instagram. Because I have about 170,000 followers on Instagram for baseball. So yeah, and also I got another TikTok as well that has 58,000 followers, but it's not in the program. It was in the program, but I'm making money off selling the product as well. And I got 2 other pages that are basketball and football that are just selling TikTok shop products. So those 2 were also in the beta program, but that's also got off the program because it was repost content. So that's why I say now you gotta do original content always. That's the king. Original content is king all the time. So if you can find a way that if you have a gateway into a niche and start posting original content on your phone, I definitely would not use a camera. I mean, if you want to use a camera, go for it. But it's definitely easier, and also the clips go way more viral on their phone if it's a vertical clip because it doesn't sound. It's not like, I don't know how to explain it, but phone clips just naturally do better on TikTok and Instagram and YouTube Shorts as well. So, alright guys, hope you guys can implement this. Please subscribe for more videos. I talk about making money online, business, finance, all of the above. Let me know if you guys want to see the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.